Yeah, it's a question that's, I think, been around forever when people do comedy. I think we all belong to a group of people who agrees that you have to take comedy very serious. In the sense that you cannot call it an arm's length. You have to be really sad when you're sad, or really angry when you're angry. Something happening here? Is bleeding out? No. Okay. So yeah, it's the core of the story is two brothers who wants to get one of them wants to get out of the family, one wants to cling on to the family, and that is the core of the story. The insanity around us is something that he wrote, but we have to take it extremely serious, and with any luck, we will end up having some very funny moments when you take it that serious, but you absolutely believe you're right in the situation. So I think that is our approach to the Schieber side. I'm not sure, did I answer your question?